Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Armstrong floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Armstrong is going to give you 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, and a little over 1,600 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful layout. So as we come inside the Armstrong, directly to our left are going to be your 2 guest bedrooms. This is the first of 2. And then right in between this bedroom and the other bedroom is the guest bath, where you're gonna have the combination tub and shower, the commode, and the singular sink. And then we have guest bedroom number 2. And notice the closet doors are not the bifold style here. They do have the actual doors, which is a nice touch. Now we come down the hallway to our main living spaces. So right in this area, this is really your dining nook. And then we have the kitchen area overlooking the great room. Off to the right of the kitchen, we have the entry, that's your 2-car garage here. Then you have your laundry that's big enough for your full-size washer and dryer. Back to the kitchen, you have a corner pantry, white cabinets, quartz countertops, and a nice island overlooking your great room. Last but not least, on the interior of the home is the owner's suite. So you have a really nice sized room here. And then we have the owner's bath with the dual sinks. You have the shower there in the corner, a nice walk-in style closet, and then you have finally your water closet. Now, the only thing remaining here on the Armstrong is the outdoor living. So you do get an exterior lanai space that is covered under truss. So plenty of room out here to enjoy the outside here in Florida. All right, folks, so if you're interested in the Armstrong floor plan, we can find this home for you at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.